So you can overcomplicate your prompt engineering. What do I mean by that? That you can use excessive and big and complex user prompts without any clear instructions or steps and just hoping that LLM will figure it out. Let me give you an example and show you how to fix this problem. For my training, I'm building AI agents for healthcare, for a complete hospital. And one part of it is a doctor, is a physician. I could say a lot of things. Can you figure out all of these as a doctor? But the best thing to just keep it as a very simple prompt. So the initial prompt, you would say, you're an experienced doctor, start a conversation with patient and give symptoms and diagnosis. But then use tabular data. What do I mean by that is, for example, this data from Kaggle is real measurements from the real patients. You get actually these symptoms and information from a patient. So LLM does not need to just come up with all of those information. We'll gather that and will use them as an input. You kind of make a connection with the real world projects. In real world, a doctor will measure things first, will ask questions, and then will decide actually what's going on with the patient. So that's in the tabular data. What you also could do is using medical imaging vision models. Let me show you. So these kind of images, so you could use, for example, models from Hugging Face to do this pneumonia detection. So if I go to Hugging Face and then I would say X-ray, and then we just use this pneumonia detection classification, then we will have a model which is already pre-trained, specialized in that specific kind of industry, which is medical imaging, and can, for example, in this case, go ahead and detect pneumonia versus normal. So in this way, we do not leave everything to our LLM, but use LLM to bring everything together.